Welcome to this invoking prayer to surround yourself with love and protection from Archangel Michael. It is an honor to guide you with my voice in this powerful prayer. Start by sitting down or lying in a comfortable position where you won't be bothered or disturbed. Please close your eyes. Let's do a few deep breaths to connect with your powerful spiritual team. There is a legion of archangels there for you at any moment you need. Feel yourself relaxing the body, softening the tension, just focusing on the breath. Ask your spirit guides to assist Archangel Michael in this miraculous transformation of healing and divine self-mastery. Now, fully taking a breath in and out. Say this prayer out loud. I now connect and merge with the healing divine light of high frequency and unconditional love. Full breath in and releasing it along with any tension. Breathing in love. Breathing out love. Each healing breath miraculously heals the DNA and core of each cell. Very good. As you breathe, feel yourself traveling deeper into inner stillness, gently inviting the presence of a higher light around you. A pleasant and safe, warm feeling of love is encompassing you with each breath. It seems that this love is coming to you from Archangel Michael. Take another deep inhale. And as you exhale, you can already feel the connection with this frequency that is divine. This loving energy embraces you and begins to restore your energy and lift your vibration. This incredible sensation is uplifting you instantly as you feel so safe and relaxed now. We ask Archangel Michael to expand his aura to greet yours, cleansing away any stressful or negative energy, any worries or distress, any energy that no longer serves you. The divine love from this healing aura overwhelms all the negative thoughts that might have limited your path to being the best version of you. You can feel his energy expanding through the space and areas that feel the least comfortable in your body, healing it with a powerful vibration. Let's take a few moments to simply be present in this wonderful divine light, allowing yourself to release any ties that no longer serve you. Now, let's ask Archangel Michael for inner power, courage, and confidence to handle any event with ease and a peaceful determination. Ask him to surround you with an everlasting shield made of love, protection, and healing that will radiate inside of you and onto your close ones. Knowing that this protection is there will block anyone or anything that is trying to come into your space with negativity. As your meditation is coming to an end, you feel lighter and happier than ever before, with a knowing that Archangel Michael will always stay with you, moving through your journey in life. Now we can give thanks to Michael for a few moments. You can slowly come back to a wakeful state when you feel ready. Appreciation in life and fresh energy feel so empowering, knowing there is always a choice to come back here at any time. Namaste.